everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner killer car, guys. Just love the look of this car. Factory R6 red car. It is a true RM VIN Roadrunner. It is not a clone. Very nicely done. Recent body up restoration. Again, just a killer car. Great look. It's got great sound. Runs and drives excellent. It's got slick R6 red paint on it. Factory bucket seat with console car, which is a big deal. If you're a Roadrunner guy, you know about 90% of these cars were bench seat column shift cars. The bucket seat console cars are not easy to come by. I gotta apologize. You can see the snow. It's about 4 degrees right now. It's horrible in Michigan. Think spring for us, but this is the best we're gonna get for a week, so we're just plowing ahead and shooting videos. But great car, like I say, real Roadrunner, really nicely detailed. I think you're really gonna like this car. Looks like the grill's original. There's not a whole lot, a couple little touch-up marks. There's not a whole lot to really pick at with in the paint. It's got the black performance hood striping. Again, it's got the original grill, so it's not like it's brand new or something. But still very nice. They did put new front and rear bumpers on it. Really slick paint. This car's nice and flat. Really did a nice job painting this car. The trim in stainless is nice. They replaced the front windshield. The rest of the glass looks like it's original. I saw a couple little scratches on it, but pretty doggone nice. New vinyl top. It's in good shape. Very nice. Again, you're not going to see it great because of the stupid snow, but I hope you can see it's got, this is a factory back glass, and it's got some little scratches in it. Not horrible, but I want you to know that they are there. Factory body seams are all intact. Really nice car. These are original. You can see, you can kind of pick at them a little, but very, very nice still. Nice and straight down the sides. I think he said they put new quarters on it, but I think the rest of the body panels were original. Nice and straight down the sides. Got a killer set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it. 255/60s in the rear, which I love. I think that's the best size to put on these cars. And then I can't remember what the fronts are, but I'll get them in the ad. You can see it's got the correct bumpers. Got a great, correct exhaust tips on it. It's got a great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. 15-inch chrome Magnums. But I'm shooting a video out here? Yeah, it is open. Go ahead. They've upgraded it to disc brakes. Not a matching numbers car. It's got a factory 3D3 car, but it's got a 70 3D3 in it. And the engine and trans are out of the same car because you match the VINs up to them. So it is a 70 3D3 block, Edelbrock AVS 4-barrel, factory intake, factory exhaust manifold. It's got a nice little cam to it, power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. It's got 4-corner QA1 adjustable shocks, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. You can see the paint slick in here. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. Beep beep horn works. Factory air cleaner. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers on there, which are really nice. That is your Fender tag. .727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Can't remember if I said that or not. Really slick car. Oh, I can hear the comments now. I can't believe you got that car out in the snow. I hate shooting pictures inside. I like cars in natural light. My opinion is, people who take pictures inside, it hides a lot. See a little bit of discolorization there, but still really nice on the A-pillar chrome. Nice. These are really nice. They've definitely replaced those. New door handles. Yeah, I think natural light just shows you more. It shows you the car. Door seams are nice and clean. They've definitely redone this interior. Again, very highly sought after bucket seats with the center console. I've got new mats on the way. I've got Roadrunner mats on the way from AAC. Door jambs are clean. They've upgraded it to the shoulder harness, seat belts. Back seat looks good. Headliner looks great. Obviously, that's an aftermarket wood wheel. Showing 33,000. Now you're going to see in the trunk, they said that this car was 28,000 original miles. I'm not buying that one. Up to you. You want to think it? From what it looks like there's about 4,000, just over 4,000 miles on this restoration. Factory AM radio did not work. Heater worked. All your your under dash light works. Got some aftermarket gauges there. Again, Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip. Floors look good. They look original. Like I say, with the miles, guys, I've been doing this since I was, 17 years old. Why would a car need to be restored if it had 28,000 original miles on it? But again, that's what I was told. I'm not buying it. Again, there's a plaque that comes with the car that says that. Factory jack with spares in there. It is all body color in here. Hopefully this doesn't break. See, it is all painted body color like it should be. Nice car. Really a nice car. Everything's so cold out here, man. My hands don't want to work. Again, nice underneath. As always, there's going to be photos on our website. We are encouraging people to call us instead of just emailing when you see a car if you're looking at a Southern Motors car, we're asking that you give us a call. You can do that at 248-620-3355. Don't always trust the ads. A lot of fake stuff, a lot of scams right now on the internet, guys. Everybody wants an old car and everybody wants to buy them so cheap. And unfortunately, there's people taking advantage of that. Sorry about the snow, guys. Seats are nice. They've definitely redone those. Dash looks good. Gauge is pretty clean. I saw a little mark. That's pretty common on these cars. If you lean on them, looks like all your interior lighting's working. Ooh, cold. Again, same thing on an A-pillar chrome, really nice, but you can pick at it a little. Just a little sweetheart here underneath the hood, man. This thing's detailed up nice. Here's the cam, just a little bit of cam to it, nothing crazy. I'll show you under here. Look at the snow, doggone it. This is a good looking car, man. Gauges are working up there. Well, I don't think that everything down here is what the fuel gauge and the voltmeter's working up there. You can see it's holding 75 pounds of oil pressure, so plenty of oil pressure. radio to work. Blower motor definitely works though. Oh, it's on. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's just not getting a station.
It's just not getting a good station. Okay. And it's AM, so it's up against the building, so it may work when you're out. Okay, radio does work. I apologize. I spoke too soon. Sometimes you gotta wait for those things to come on. Oh, looks like we gotta check a light over there. Yeah, we'll check it. It's probably just not making a good connection. It's working on the bright. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.